Schultz. This is going to be my last semester in my program at NTC. I'm doing the Data Analysis Specialist certification. I'm taking my last two classes this semester, this class and also data reporting. I live in Weston with my husband, our 10-month-old son Jameson, and our 2-year-old golden doodle. Her name is Ellie. Our little puppy and little baby keep us very busy. I also work full-time at Connexus as an institutional loan specialist and taking these two classes. So I have quite a busy semester ahead of me. But I am looking forward to this class. I'm looking forward to learning more about big data and conducting predictive analysis on the big data. I'm excited to learn that because I've always been interested in looking at numbers and statistics and trying to just draw conclusions from them. Obviously, if you're just looking at numbers and not getting anything out of them, it can be pretty boring. So I am really interested in analyzing data because I've always loved numbers, always loved math, and I think it's cool to be able to use programming and different techniques that we're hopefully going to be learning in order to take a bunch of numbers and make sense of them. I don't have much experience yet in data analysis. My goal is to complete this program and then become a data analyst, but I don't have a lot of experience other than the classes that I've taken so far in this program. So I'm really excited to learn more this semester, as I'm sure you all are. I look forward to working with everyone.